At this point, we're ready to fill our power unit with brand new, clean hydraulic oil. Well, there's two different weights we like to use. We have an AW32 we use in a colder, wetter climate. We're in Ohio right now, so it gets cold here, so to keep the viscosity moving better through the whole system, we use the lighter oil. If you're in a southern state, Texas, Arizona, you may want to go to a 46, which is a heavier oil, and you'll never have that trouble of it getting too thick for you, and then you get a heavier oil. It's going to take about 3 gallons of this oil. The best way to dump it is put your spout at the top, and then it doesn't get messy on you. It's a nice smooth pour. You'll notice the tank is clear, so you'll be able to watch your level come up. Yeah, there's a fill line right about where Tony's hand is at. It's about 1 inch underneath the fill hole. Stop her right above the minimum. And because it's a single acting cylinder and self-bleeding, there's no issue in bleeding. You just run it, and most likely you're going to find out when you're done bleeding it and lowered all the way, you're going to be pretty much at the exact level. You might have to add a half a quart or so, but most likely you won't have to add any from now on.